Living in Smithtown means enjoying the best of all seasons: warm summers, colorful autumns, crisp winters, and refreshing springs. But these seasonal changes can also present challenges for homeowners trying to maintain indoor comfort. From chilly drafts in winter to rising cooling bills in summer, your windows play a much bigger role than you might think. The good news is that energy-efficient windows are designed to keep your home comfortable year-round while helping you save money and improve your home's value. The problem with older windows: many Smithtown homes, especially those built decades ago, still have their original windows. While these may carry charm, they often lack modern insulation and efficiency features. Single-pane glass allows heat to transfer easily, letting cold air in during winter and hot air in during summer. Worn-out seals create drafts, making some rooms uncomfortably cold or hot. Aging frames may warp or crack, letting moisture and air leak into your home. These problems not only make it harder to stay comfortable but also force your heating and cooling systems to work overtime, raising energy bills. How energy-efficient windows work? Energy-efficient windows use advanced technology to tackle these issues head-on. Features that make them different include double or triple pane glass, multiple layers of glass with insulating gas, like argon, between panes slow down heat transfer. Low E coatings. A nearly invisible layer reflects heat back into your home in winter and keeps it out during summer, while still allowing natural light in. Insulated frames. Materials such as vinyl or fiberglass resist warping and help reduce heat loss. Tight seals and weather stripping. These block drafts and prevent air leaks for consistent indoor comfort. Together, these features make energy-efficient windows a powerful barrier against the elements. Winter warmth without drafts. Smithtown winters can bring chilly temperatures and biting winds. With older windows, you may find yourself bundling up indoors or avoiding certain rooms altogether. Energy-efficient windows solve this by reducing drafts through airtight seals and insulated glass, keeping warmth inside by reflecting heat back into your living spaces, evening out room temperatures so you don't experience cold spots near windows. The result is a cozier, more inviting home, even on the coldest nights. Summer comfort with lower cooling costs. When summer hits Smithtown, many homeowners worry about rising energy bills as air conditioners work overtime. Energy-efficient windows help reduce cooling costs by blocking solar heat gain with low E glass, preventing rooms from overheating. Allowing natural light in without glare, so you can keep blinds open and still stay cool. Maintaining consistent indoor temperatures, which reduces strain on your AC system. These windows make it easier to enjoy Smithtown's sunny days without worrying about skyrocketing utility bills. Benefits beyond comfort. Energy-efficient windows don't just keep your home more comfortable, they bring several added advantages. Lower utility bills, reduced heating and cooling needs mean monthly savings. Noise reduction. Advanced glass and insulation block outdoor sounds, creating a quieter living space. Protection for furnishings. Low E coatings help filter UV rays, preventing fading of carpets, furniture, and artwork. Boosted resale value. Buyers appreciate modern, energy-saving features, making your home more attractive on the market. These benefits make energy-efficient windows one of the smartest upgrades for Smithtown homeowners. Why professional installation matters. Even the best windows won't perform as they should without expert installation. Local professionals in Smithtown understand the area's seasonal challenges and ensure proper measurements for a snug, airtight fit. Correct sealing techniques to block drafts and moisture. Warranty protection, often only valid with professional installation. With expert installation, you'll enjoy maximum comfort, efficiency, and long-term performance. Final thoughts. In a place like Smithtown, where seasons bring both icy winters and warm summers, energy-efficient windows are a year-round solution for comfort, savings, and peace of mind. They seal out drafts, block excess heat, and create a healthier, quieter living environment. If your home still has outdated or drafty windows, now is the perfect time to consider upgrading. With the right energy-efficient windows and professional installation, you can enjoy comfort in every season, while lowering energy bills and adding long-term value to your Smithtown home.